end of the day. Congratulations again. Good start.
Yan! At bukod sa kanila, ano pa ba yung i-hand out natin?
We also have to recognize the hard work of our rookies. Rookie of the Year for Basketball event is brought to you by Duncan. The Duncan Rookie of the Year for Basketball is... JM